Want to make a quick video on the Octogun. This is a new gun, at least it's a new gun to me. This is the model 930-GTD. This is stuff that I've never seen before. So you got your normal, plunger there, but down here, it has a caulk stripping tool and a caulk to put a line in, instead of using your thumb, you can use this. Kind of forgetting what that would be called, but also has this one here. It's connected to the caulk gun itself. This will lay out a 8mm bead, a 5mm bead, a 90-degree bead, or what does that say? Or a round bead. So this will also set beads just like this one here. This is kind of more like a popsicle stick. Some people use popsicle sticks. And then you have your different diameters, I guess you would call them there. You have your ability to cut it here, and also down here, there's a plunger for the caulk gun. So you can screw this into the caulk gun in between applications. So pretty cool caulk gun. They call it the 8-in-1 Octogun. Model 930 GTD. Feels really good. Oh yeah.